Hi! In front of me is the LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Tablet. Following that, tap on device name under Basic Info and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, just tap on OK in the pop-up and OK in the other one about visibility to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Lenovo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!